I received another box. Something I found on eBay when I was down in Winlock looking at my 1940 GMC. I put some oil in the cylinders and the dipstick was broken. And there was a nice man on eBay that had these dipsticks for sale for GMs. '47 to '55 first series. Let's take a look. These are new old stock, unused. The spring is still there. Turn that over. Three of them. Be right back.